You have a valid US visa. You arrive at the airport. Can CBP still say no? Yes, and here's why. This video is for general informational purposes and does not constitute legal advice. Imagine your American dream starts here, stepping off the plane, ready for a new life. You have your visa, you've paid your fees, even said goodbye to family. But as you approach the passport desk, you're asked one unexpected question and suddenly everything changes. Meet Rahul, a software engineer. He's thrilled, got a USB 1/B2 visa after months of paperwork. He booked his flight to New York and is ready to attend a tech conference. With visa in hand, he thought getting in would be automatic. But US law says a visa does not guarantee admission. In fact, the US State Department and CBP make this clear. Getting a visa lets you fly here, but only a CBP officer at the port of entry can finally say, "Welcome." That officer inspects your papers and asks questions. If something doesn't add up, they can deny you admission right there. So, what's Rahul's mistake? Unwittingly, he tries to bring prohibited items or tells a small lie. For example, maybe he didn't declare he still owes income tax back home, or he said he was going for tourism, but admits he hopes to work there. Fraud or willful misrepresentation is one of the most serious. Under INA Section 212A(6)(c)(1), any foreigner who, by fraud or willfully misrepresenting a material fact, seeks a visa or admission is inadmissible. In plain English, lying about anything material on your visa form or at the gate can trigger a 10-year ban. This isn't theoretical. For instance, in matter of DR BIA 2011, the Board of Immigration Appeals said a misstatement must be willful to count. Accidental mistakes may not bar you, but remember Rahul is traveling on a non-immigrant visa. If he answers a CBP question incorrectly, the officer will decide if it was intentional or not, and even admitting something innocent like carrying prescription medicine can raise a red flag. CBP's own data show why this matters. In FY 2018, officers found 279,009 people inadmissible at US ports. The single most common reason? Failing to satisfy documentary requirements, missing or invalid documents. Another top reason, trying to enter under the wrong intent. For example, holding a tourist visa but intending to work or immigrate. Back to Rahul. At customs, the officer notices he didn't declare a prescription he carries for medical reasons. The officer asks sharply, and Rahul hesitates. That hesitation can look like lying. Under the law, CBP can invoke INA 212A(7)(a)(i). He has no immigrant visa and might be in immigrant intent. Effectively, they can deny him on the spot. In one real case, pronounced Maslenjak, an immigrant applicant actually concealed her husband's wartime past from officials. The Supreme Court held that her lies were material. That is, would have changed the outcome, so her citizenship was revoked. In others, matter of DR, lawyers have won cases where the misstatement was deemed an innocent mistake. But most travelers don't get a judge. They simply get a refused stamp and are turned away, often barred for years. What can travelers learn from Rahul's story? Be honest and prepared. Before you leave home, double-check your documents, passport validity, 6+ months, visa type, and any required permits. If you must answer CBP questions, answer clearly and truthfully. Even if something seems irrelevant, like a minor past offense, hiding it can be seen as misrepresentation. Bring supporting evidence of your trip's purpose, conference letters, hotel bookings, return ticket. And remember, CBP officers are not out to scare you. They just enforce the law. Keeping calm and knowing your rights helps.
I am here for a software conference. How long will you be staying? Just for 10 days.
One small slip, a lie, or even contradictory answers can trigger legal bars. By law, fraud/misrep carries up to a 10-year ban. Even a denied applicant without a hearing can face a 5-year bar under expedited removal. So, double-check everything. The good news, most travelers with genuine intentions get through smoothly. The key is knowing the rules. We'll keep explaining these US laws in plain English so you don't face surprises at the border. If this cleared up a scary situation for you, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know in the comments. What immigration topic should we simplify next? Thanks for watching and safe travels.